Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great. Today's topic is very easy and very general topic. I thought to share this because I found this diagram very beautiful and very amazing also. It is very easy to remember the sizes of the IV cannula by this diagram. That's why I am sharing with you. So let's start. So we will start with our below upwards, our roots. Our roots is surrounded by earth. Roots are of orange color and earth is of grey color. So our earth and roots will give rise to plants of green color. Plants will produce air and oxygen that will lead to our parachute to fly high. Our parachute is of pink color, right? So our parachute will fly high up to the clouds. Our clouds are of blue color, and through the clouds our sun is shining. Our sun is of yellow color, and above all is our sky, and our sky color is violet. Our sky color is not pink, our sky color is violet, right? So it is very easy. Once again, roots surrounded by the earth give rise to plants will produce air lead to the parachute to fly high up to the clouds. Through the clouds sun is shining, and above all is our sky is violet. So it's again, size of the orange IV cannula is of 14 gauge, and we will add +2 below upward, and finally violet color is IV cannula is of 26 gauge, right? So orange color is of 14 gauge, grey color IV cannula 16 gauge, green color IV cannula 18 gauge, pink color IV cannula 20 gauge, blue color IV cannula 22 gauge, yellow color IV cannula 24 gauge, violet color IV cannula is of 26 gauge, right? So one thing more, as we all know, as the size of the IV cannula increase, our flow rate will decrease. So yellow and violet color cannula will have less flow rate, and the grey and orange color IV cannula will have the high flow rate, right? So that's why here flow rate is less. That's why these color IV cannula we usually use in the elderly patient and the pediatric patient, and orange and grey color usually we use in the resuscitation for the polytrauma patient, right? Because this color of IV cannula having high flow rate, that's why we use there, right? So I hope this is very amazing and very easy. So thank you guys.